HashUp just put out a new update that allows us to build up our hash rate with new daily tasks. And this is just another layer to one of the best options on the market, and I'll show you whether these daily tasks are worth it or not. So in the very bottom, they added a new task tab, and you'll see that I have a total of 102.5 HUP, which is what you earn for doing these tasks. And you can see that I've done 12 tasks total, so it's been a total of about, just under 10 each on average. And I think one or two of those was a lot bigger than the other ones. And you can see there's a frameless and a framed. And from what I can tell, the frameless, it makes you go to another website. You have to click on a button and then kind of count how long it's going to be. Some of them are really short, so it's really easy. But I had one that was like a minute. I thought I waited a minute, went back, and it didn't give me anything. So I'm not a huge fan of those. But if you go to framed, let me just show you how it works. You can see 10 seconds for 6.5 HUD. If you click that, you see this little thing that says like a VIP bonus. Let's click off that. But you see this little bar that's going up, right? So just give it a couple seconds. And then once this is done, it's going to have this little puzzle that pops up. So you can see the little diamond right there. So we're going to click the diamond, click verify. I'm verified. I should be able to click back. Let's scroll up. And there it is. I have 109 now with 13 tasks completed. So that was pretty easy, and that's all well and good, but we want to know what this is worth, right? So if you click withdrawal and then scroll down a little bit, you'll see the HashUp HUP, and I have 109. So let's click that. I'll scroll down a little bit more. Gotta get past all these. We're gonna click exchange to hash rate, and then we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna click I am human. It's probably going to make us do a little puzzle. And I'm thinking it's that one. Hopefully. That one. And there it is. So you can see 109 HUP is going to give me 1.09 hash per second. So let's click that real quick. And there it is, 109 hash per second. And the cool thing about this is that it does last forever. But really 1.09 hash per second isn't a lot. And whether this is worth it or not just depends on like what you're doing. So say like you drive with somebody in your carpool and you can just have it on your phone playing. But if this is going to take like time out of your day, I'm not sure if this is worth it. And maybe just stick with the free faucet because that's really quick and easy. And the lowest you can gain from doing the faucet is 1 hash per second, which would take 100 whole HUP. Now I did see that some of the daily tasks may increase your hash rate percentage or give you more chances to get higher hash when you do your faucet, but I haven't yet to see that, and I'll let you know if that happens. And the next update for HashUp is the daily streak. So if you miss a day, they'll actually lower your overall hash rate a ton. I think it's 50%. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's that. And then you're going to have to build it up by using the faucet at least once a day for 7 days straight. I usually use it 2, 3, 4, 5 times whenever I remember it, so I'm not going to have a problem, but please be aware of this in case you don't want your hash rate to go down. But if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're a HashUp user and you're probably using that faucet anyway. It's definitely one of the best free options on the market. And like I said, if HashUp has any more updates, I'll let you know as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And if you aren't already using HashUp already and are interested in it, please use the link that I provided in the description. It gives both of us a free 2 hash per second for free, and it's greatly appreciated. And I've actually just unlocked memberships on this channel, and I've set it for $1, the cheapest I can do. And what I'll do is you'll get a little bit early access to videos, I'll give you a shout out on the end of a video, and at some point I'll start doing some giveaways for members. Most likely in the form of Bitcoin. But anybody who watches these videos is just greatly appreciated, and you don't have to be a member. I'm not going to hide any of these behind a paywall. You would just get it like a few hours earlier, maybe 6, 8 hours earlier. That'd be it. And you're going to help support the channel if you like these videos. I would appreciate the love. But as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the clouds.